Hello, it's Helen here. I have been craving cheesecake for such a long time. Today, let's make green tea basket burnt cheesecake together. The basket version is to get burnt and baked at high heat. It's incredibly easy and hard to mess up. Here is the cute Pac-Man cheesecakes to enjoy. These taste so creamy and silky. Each bite of the cheesecake will melt it in your mouth with the extra flavor from the matcha powder. Here are all ingredients you need. Preheat the oven for 420 Fahrenheit. Pour in the room temperature cream cheese and sugar in a large bowl to avoid splashing. Mix the cream cheese at low to medium speed. You can rotate the ball for even mixing until there is no clumps remain and the sugar has dissolved. Scrape down side of the ball with your spatula. Increase the speed to medium and add eggs one at a time. Remember, you only want to put one egg at each time. Beat each egg around 30 seconds before adding next one. This step will be helping the separation between the cream cheese and the eggs. So you want to avoid anything that by adding the eggs one by one. So, mixing the part of the whipping cream with the matcha powder, since the powder is hard to dissolve within a large amount of liquid, so you just want to mix it ahead. It might take you a bit long time, but just keep mixing, you will get the consistent texture of the matcha powder. Add in the liquefied matcha powder and the cream. You can use the spatula to assist this process. Beat until it's combined at low speed. It takes around 1 minute. Turn off the mixer and sieve the cornstarch evenly over cream cheese mixer. Beat at low speed again until it's well incorporated. It takes around 50 seconds. Scrape down side of the ball. The batter should be very smooth and homogeneous. Parchment paper cover the entire cake pan for clean, smooth outer edges to the cake. Sieve the batter to make sure there is no clump. Put the cake pan on the top of the thick baking pan. It helps to distribute the heat evenly. Bake at 420 Fahrenheit for 33 minutes and 450 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes in the middle. When the baking process is finished, half open the oven for 5 minutes. It helps to avoid the huge change between the temperature. Let the cheesecake cool at the cooling rack and then place it in a sealable bag and fridge overnight or for at least 4 hours. Transfer the cake by lifting the parchment paper gently. You will see a deeply golden brown on the top and every side. Clean and heat the long sharp knife with the hot water between each side. Please ensure you get a nice and clean slice. You can make this cake one day ahead for your party. Enjoy this cheesecake with a caramelized top and a jiggling custard center. This perfect combination between the taste and texture. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more food recipes.